Hi, this short video is to show you how to use Screencastify's desktop and tab recording features. And so once you've already signed in and set up your Screencastify account for the first time, which there's a video for that if you have not yet used Screencastify. But if you have, you'll just click the little Screencastify icon in your browser. And then I'll show you how to use the browser tab feature first. So you would use browser tab if you're going to be staying in the same browser tab for the whole video. So maybe you're just clicking through a slideshow, maybe you're only showing students one website instead of clicking around. So that's why you would use browser tab. If your browser tab has any audio with it, you'll have to click show more options and make sure that tab audio is on. Now you'll notice here it says 5-minute limit per video, and then it prompts you to try to upgrade. That's just because I'm using this staff test account, but we actually as full staff members have the premium version, so we do not have a 5-limit video. But again, just for the purpose of this little demo, I'm using an account that doesn't have a premium features. So I'll just click record. And now this is the only tab that will be recording, so I can talk over it. Also, when you do tab and desktop recording, I have some markup and annotation features here. So I can actually, if I click the pen, I can choose a color, and I can actually draw on the screen. I can write on the screen, etc. There's also an eraser feature, so I can erase what I've done. And then also there is a mouse. You can actually have a few different mouse settings. So if you click on it, one setting is focus, and so this darkens the whole screen except for where your mouse goes is a spotlight. Another option is to hide your mouse when it's not moving. So if I am not moving around, I can have my mouse disappear until I start moving. And then when I let it go, it disappears. And then one final option is to have it highlight anytime you click. And I like this feature. So if I'm clicking someplace and I want someone to click, it'll actually kind of draw a little circle around where I'm clicking. And then finally, you can embed yourself as a little webcam here. So I would click that, and then there I am down there in the corner. And so some people like when they're talking and demonstrating something to have themselves be here in the corner. You can flip it like that. You can also go full screen, and then you can quit the webcam as well. And then when you're finished recording, you just click again on the Screencastify. I can pause, so I can go and do something else, come back and continue recording, or I can stop. And then a new tab will open, and then you can see, the only thing I can see in this video is that one tab. It doesn't show my entire desktop. And then in a future video, I'll show how to save it, share it, and do other kinds of things like edit your clips as well. So for now, we're gonna go back and I'll show you the desktop version, recording your desktop, which is basically the same, so I won't take as long. So desktop again, if I want audio, I need to make sure that system audio is on, and then I click record. And then when you do desktop, it's gonna prompt you, and then you select the screen and then click share. And now it'll record all 3 of these tabs, and I'll be able to click back and forth. So if I was using tab recording, I wouldn't be able to click back and forth between these different tabs. And so I can actually, if I had audio, I could turn my audio on. And since I turned on my system audio, when I first started the recording, it will record this music in the background as well. And then I have the same tools. I can draw, erase, add my little webcam down there in the corner. And then I can have the mouse functions as well. And then when I'm finished, click there, stop, And then when the new tab opens to show me that video, you can see it's my whole desktop. You can see all the different tabs that I had open. So that's the difference between tab and desktop recording.